Right, welcome to Factoyd. This is a React app with Redux and Thunk for state management and a Rails backend. It was my final project for Flatiron Development Bootcamp, and I really love trivia. I love learning about the world. I love expanding my knowledge about the way that things work. I just think it's really interesting and fascinating and fun. So I wanted a way to automate that process and make it easier. So let's log in here. And here you can see, basically, the community has added various facts that they think are interesting, like otters have a special pouch on their body where they keep their favorite rock. That's pretty cool. And anybody can add new facts. Each one has a source so that you can fact check them. And the real functionality of the app is that you can be reminded. These you can see I've already reminded myself of, but if I were to click any one of these here, I would be texted with the Twilio API the description of that fact for a set amount of time on a spaced repetition basis. Spaced repetition is a process whereby you space out the review of information, and that makes you more likely to retain it in the long run. So what we do is we queue a bunch of delayed jobs that will text you via the Twilio API on a spaced repetition basis, and that automates the process of learning anything you find interesting. And here we can see, I want to see science facts, we can X that out. I want to see something about history. We can search, show me something about otters, things like that. And basically the point of the app is that you can add a fact, and let's say you want to show people that the different ways the dinosaur sounds were made in Jurassic Park. So you can say that the sound of raptors communicating in Jurassic Park was actually tortoises mating. That's kind of fun. You might want to remember that. You can pull that out of the party, and we'll call that an entertainment fact. And of course, we need our source so that people know we're not full of baloney. And then we submit it, and here we go here, and we can be reminded of the fact. And now, in just a second, yes, that shows up on my phone, and that'll be texted to me in an automatic learning process for about every 10 days for a couple of months, so that I learn it automatically and I don't have to schedule or put any effort into my review of the material. And that's it.